Hi, my name is Rit Klute, and I am the Managing Director at Median Solutions. We are a small company, a payroll bureau, who assist companies who fall within the jurisdiction of a bargaining council. In South Africa, we have many bargaining councils, and they have their own rules that apply to their specific industries. We understand those rules and how they affect a company's payroll. One of the ways in which we assist companies is by offering training courses or workshops where we explain the ins and outs of rules that apply to them. Not complying with a bargaining council's rules can be very costly for any company, and we try and assist companies to avoid that at all costs. If you need assistance with compliance in the road freight industry, then why don't you join us for a workshop on the 8th of August this year at Diep in die Berg in Pretoria. Contact us at training@mediant.co.za for more information.